Tickets, yes. Passport, yes. Hi, Ed. I'm just in the middle of packing for New York. But I can't see you. The camera's not working.
It doesn't matter. I can see you. What time are you leaving?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. You're breaking up.
What I said was, what time does your plane leave?
At 7, but I've got to be at the airport for 4 in the morning. Now, what should I pack?
You just need lots of sports clothes and...
Hang on, this is really annoying. Mum! I'm trying to talk to Ed. I didn't get the last part, Ed. What did you say?
I was just saying that you should bring things for the beach.
Oh. Okay. How about these?
You must be joking. Dan promised me.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Don't bring those smelly sneakers.
What was that?
Forget it, Dan. Thanks. See you tomorrow.